Hello, welcome to Elif's kitchen. Today I'm sharing a recipe you can prepare very easily. I'd like to share the recipe of baba ganoush, which is one of the famous delicacies of Antioch, Antakya, Turkey. Let's get going. I washed a kilogram of eggplant and put them on the baking tray. I poke a few holes on it with a knife. I also washed a kilogram of red capia peppers. I washed a total of half a kilogram of chili peppers and green peppers. I washed a kilogram of tomatoes and put them on the tray. I baked my vegetables in the oven about 250 degrees. Look, I turned them around and put it back in the oven to roast the other faces. I take the chili peppers and the green peppers in a bowl because they are roasted earlier. I roasted the eggplant, capia pepper, and tomatoes a little bit more. Then I take them also in the bowl. And now I close the lid of the bowl for about 20 minutes or so. I kept it that way so it could be easily peeled off. Look, the peels are so easily peeled this way. As you see, I'm cleaning the seeds inside on the board. I'm trying to clean them as much as possible. From this stage, you shouldn't wash the vegetables. It would lose all its tastes if you wash. I'm peeling the eggplants the same way. I peel the green peppers likewise as much as I can. It doesn't matter if you can't peel it all, unpeeled parts can still remain. I'm cleaning the inner seeds. Because the chili peppers are so thin, it doesn't matter if you clean the inner seeds. I peel the tomatoes the same way. Now I peeled all my vegetables, and I can proceed to the mincing stage. I'm going to mince all the vegetables on the board like this. I chopped as thin as possible. I'm putting it in the mixing bowl. I chopped my red peppers the same way. And I'm adding that on the eggplants. Then I chop the chili peppers and green peppers. If you like, don't hesitate to add hot peppers. The more bitter it is, the more delicious it will be. But if you can't eat hot, you can use sweet peppers. The green peppers are ready and I add them. I'm going to mince the tomatoes. I'm chopping it thin. I'm adding on them about 3 or 4 cloves of grated garlic. Now I'm adding olive oil slightly less than a teacup. It's much better if you use genuine olive oil. I'm adding enough pomegranate syrup. In fact, you can adjust the amount of pomegranate syrup to your own taste. I've added 2 tablespoons of pomegranate syrup. Now I add enough salt and mix it all right. I put my baba ganoush in the serving plate. I've decorated it with parsley and paprika. And now it's ready to serve. I strongly recommend you to try it. Thank you for watching my video.